Hey guys, it's Nia. Thank you so much for being here and welcome back for another motivational cleaning video. Today I'm sharing some real life house cleaning with you as I do a quick tidy up of the main floor living areas, washing dishes, picking up toys, and cleaning up the clutter in my kitchen. I also will be sharing a dinner recipe with you in case you're like me and have run out of ideas on what to cook. If you enjoy motivational cleaning videos like this, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing before you leave so you never miss out on a future upload. I'm starting off by throwing a load of Riley's laundry into the wash. I figured this could get going while I pick up the rest of the house. Then I'm going to be headed over to clean up our living room. This has been Riley's favorite play area, and you guys will see in just a second how she has all her toys spread out everywhere. Also, please do not mind the fact that her toilet is in the middle of the living room. We were trying to potty train her. We kind of keep going on and off because I'm not gonna lie, it's very overwhelming trying to potty train her while also working full-time during the week. I will say this is quite the process for us. So can we let this slide? Can't stand to see you cry. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. My name is Nia and I'm a working mom who shares real life, everyday messes. So on my channel, I post tons of cleaning and organizational videos, and I like to share recipe ideas as well. So if you enjoy content like this, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you, and also make sure to introduce yourself in the comments so I can personally say hi. Come a little closer, baby, please don't walk away. I love you when looking back at these videos while I'm editing them because I always see how big of a helper Riley truly is, and you guys always mention in the comments how you enjoy seeing her help me clean up and everything. The only thing that I hope for is that by the time she becomes a teenager, she will like cleaning just as much. I used to think that we were so lucky. No, I don't want you back, not at all. I just wanted to give you a call. I regret what I said at the mall. cooking dinner, I wanted to do a quick tidy up of the kitchen. This particular day, I was trying a new recipe on Pinterest. Honestly, Pinterest is my go-to place for new recipes. I am definitely one of those people who like trying different recipes instead of cooking the same thing over and over again. So today we are trying a chicken broccoli casserole, and the first thing I wanted to do was get some water boiling for the pasta, and then I used 3 large pieces of chicken that I had picked up from Costco, and I cut them into small little cube-like pieces, and I'm using this garlic and sea salt seasoning, and I'm going to throw them onto the stove to cook.
Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. Baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. One of the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 the things I love, the things I love. Cause I got this system.
While the chicken is cooking, I'm going to add the pasta into the pot, and then I'm also going to start washing the dishes so it's less that I have to do afterwards. But because today is Saturday, I would love to know what your plans are for the weekend. I know some states are starting to open up, ours until New Jersey. I think we might have until like maybe mid-June or so, but for us, we're basically just going to be kind of cleaning the house and starting to get the house ready for the summertime, as well as for Riley's party, which is going to be in like 1 week, which is so crazy.
Nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 the things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 the things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love.
chicken is finished cooking, I'm gonna add some more olive oil into the pot and then use the cut up onions. And then I'm also going to be adding some garlic in for flavor. And then a little bit later, I'm also going to be adding in some flour. I believe there was also like milk and things like that to kind of just create the sauce that we're going to be needing for this casserole. One who likes to clean up as I'm cooking, so this is the perfect opportunity to do a quick tidy up of the kitchen. I'm also leaving some ingredients on the side because later on this particular night I was making our granola balls. These are such a great yummy snack to just grab and go. If you follow me on Instagram, I have them saved under my highlights. You won't regret it.
On the run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's why I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. In the heat from a hot California, I forgot how you look like in rain. That's why I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be.
The sauce is almost ready, so we can start to combine everything together. Is anybody else this messy when they cook? Because I feel like I always spill everything.
Still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
cooking in the oven, I figured I would put away the dishes that I had washed earlier and then start tackling the dishes that were currently in the sink. For some reason, my camera cut off, so you didn't really see me finish doing all of the dishes, but by the end of the night, everything was spotless and clean.
Maybe I'm a bird following the seasons. This is what I've learned. I'm different for a reason. Kept the engine on, never stayed too long. I'm alright, I don't mind being restless. Something in your eye made me stay up night. I can see you are different too. Love me like a stranger, like a melody flowing wild and free. Love me like a stranger, let it be unique. Run away with me. Love me like a, love me like a, love me like a, love me like a stranger. Maybe you're a bird singing for believers, a song meant to be heard, but never meant for preaching. I don't know where you're gonna head off to, but I know that you'll go where your heart's at. You might cross the sea, what will be, will be. Wanna make this adventure with you. Love me like a stranger, like a melody flowing wild and free. Love me like a stranger, let it be unique. Run away with me. Love me like a, love me like a, love me like a.
For more motivational cleaning videos like this, I have all of my playlists linked down below for you guys. I hope you were able to get some cleaning done and tackle at least something on your to-do list. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing before you leave. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!